Hello everyone, welcome to VARs. This is Simon from NiceCam. Today we would like to show you our Ice Bucket product. Ice Bucket is one of our main products, and we already cooperate with some famous brands such as Coca-Cola, Corona, Carlsberg, Guinness. As a green light supplier for Coca-Cola, every summertime, Coca-Cola will order ice buckets from us. This is the popular items we offer to lots of brands. It's 5 liters. One ice bucket normally combines with the body, the handle, the ears, and also inside we will put the glue. The glue is food safety and leak proof. It's easy to carry on and is economy to offer. And also, you can see the shape is cone, so it's easy to stack into other ice bucket. So you can save the space and also you can save your delivery cost. After 20 years experience in Timbos industry, now we have more than 3,000 shapes can satisfy with your different demands. Feel free to contact us if you have any requirements. Thank you for your time. NiceCam, life can be nicer.